Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. Today's tutorial covers the 13.4-inch touchscreen. So if your GMC or Chevrolet truck has this screen, I'm going to show you how to manage the sound profile in your truck. Now, what I want to do, this may be the screen you see, and you're wondering, well, how do I adjust things such as bass and treble and all that kind of stuff? Depending on what you're using as your source to listen to, let's just say we're using Bluetooth. I'm going to go right here, and then we're going to look for this icon right here. So what we're going to do is go in there, and there you see it right there. There's equalizer. We can come in here and change bass, mid-range, and treble. You can go in and do that. You can also see what else we have here as far as your fade and your balance go. Pretty simple to deal with. I'm not going to show you how to use everything because I know you can handle it, but your favorites will be there too. Now let me just go back out of here just so you can see this. To get out of this screen, we're going to select right there, and that brings up all of our different options. Let's say we're using USB. Same thing. There's that icon again up there in that top right-hand corner area, and we've got that screen again. Equalizer. It's all the same stuff here. So if you were curious about that, that is how that works. I hope that's helpful to you. If there's another tutorial on a GMC, a Chevrolet, or any other vehicle out there you want to see me make, tell me down in the comments section, and I'll make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.